In this video, I'll show you how to find credit notes in Xero. Once you were on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left hand side, you want to head over to the sales option. And down below, you will find invoices. Now click on invoices. And on the invoices section, you will see all of the invoices that you have. Now, in order for you to find credit notes, what you want to do is focus on the logos that are on the third column. Now, these columns in here, they are invoices. They are invoices because they have the white paper. If you scroll down even more, you will find the option for CR. Now, CR is considered as a credit note. Now, if we click on the CR option or the CR invoice, you will see that it is considered as a credit note. Now, one thing that you can also do to find credit notes faster is by heading over to the top bar. And on the right hand side, you want to click on the search button. And in here, you will have a specific reference number for an invoice or a credit note. So on an invoice, it is set as an INV at start, and the rest will be a number. But for a credit note, it will start at CN and a specific number. So let's say we want to search for a credit note, and we will type CN. And at the bottom and the right hand side, if we click on search, it will show you all of the credit note, and on the left hand side, the credit note number is labeled as a CN. Now, if you do have a different number, I do suggest you have the same number for the credit note in order for you to find it faster if you have a lot of invoices. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.